Scorpio, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. You can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Scorpio. And please watch until the end of the video to support my channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you for this month of June. Scorpio. Scorpio. For major arcana. Okay. Some of you are spiritual leaders, okay? A tarot reader, have psychic abilities, malakas ang inyong intuition. Whatever questions that you have in your situation, about your situation, you need to sit with yourself, okay? Spend time alone, meditate, listen to your heart. Kung ano yung sinasabi sa inyo. Meron kang kakayahan or the inner strength na ma-overcome mo yung mga problema. Okay? You are full of wisdom. Alam mo kung ano yung mga gagawin. Okay? Kung ano yung solusyon para sa problema mo. You are looking for ways or ideas to move forward, to improve your situation. Scorpio. For some of you, you are dealing with a Leo. Okay? Another major arcana, the moon. Scorpio, for some of you, nakakaramdam kayo na merong ginagawang hindi maganda sa inyo. Pag nakatalikod kayo, maybe may problema sa trabaho or sa mga subordinates or colleagues ninyo. Okay? Alam mo something is wrong, but you need to be strong, move forward, ignore them. Okay? May improvement na mangyayari in the end. Okay? Because some of you are not treated well. Financially, you are improving. May matatanggap kang pera. Okay? Regalo. Increase ng salary. Okay? Other income na matatanggap mo pa. Incentives. Okay? For some of you, award, commission, gifts, something valuable. Okay? For some of you, iniisip ninyo kung bibigyan nyo ba ng atensyon yung isang tao. Okay? Travel. Babiyahe ba kayo, Scorpio? Okay, you are very determined. You are very ambitious, goal-oriented. People are recognizing yung galing ninyo. Okay? You are a successful person, Scorpio. Okay? Determinado na umangat sa buhay. Determinado na yumaman, magkaroon ng maraming pera. Not just for themselves, but for their children. Okay? Sa pamilya ninyo. Lahat ng mga financial needs mabibigay sa mga mahal nyo sa buhay. You are driven to succeed, to get rich, okay, material-wise. To build your own legacy. Hindi nawawala ang competition, okay? Maraming inggitan, okay? Maraming may gusto kung anong meron ka, Scorpio. Okay? There are some delays in your finances. You are concerned, some of you are concerned about money. But there is always a solution to every problem. Nakakagawa kayo ng paraan on how to make money. In the end, you will be celebrating. Merong celebration, merong contentment sa pamamahay nyo or sa pamumuhay ninyo. Yung iba sa inyo ay ikakasal, merong celebration, okasyon, okay? Binyag. Basically, a contentment sa home life ninyo. Okay? There are just some delays, merong conflict, problema sa money, okay? But, mabibigyan ng solusyon. Look for ways, or maybe you can ask for help, okay? May mga delay sa mga loans, or ang dami yung financial obligations, okay? But, overall, hindi kayo nawawalan. May kasaganan. Okay? Iba sa inyo, sobra-sobra yung gastos or expenses. Nagne-negative thinking. Okay? Huwag kang mawala ng tiwala sa sarili. Believe in yourself, Scorpio. You can get out from this situation, toxic situation. Okay? May mga hindi fair na nangyayari. But just move on. Despite sa mga ginagawa sa inyo, ipakita mo yung galing ninyo. Okay? Sa kung saang trabaho man kayo. Okay? Anong field or area, kayo lang nakakaalam, but basically in your work situation. Yeah. Merong betrayal, lies, deception, hindi fair, okay? Someone is being strategic. Okay. Okay. For some of you, may bully, nakakaranas ng ganyan. But you don't give a damn. Okay? May mga opportunities na darating sa inyo. Do not procrastinate. Pag magsayang ng oras, move. Okay? Despite sa mga negative na nangyayari or sa mga paligid ninyo, mga tao na nakapaligid sa inyo, pwedeng sa work yan or sa personal nyo, maraming nagmamahal sa inyo. You are supported by the universe, by the divine. Okay? May blessings na dumadating sa inyo sa kabila ng mga paninira, okay? Or pagloloko, sa kabila ng mga pagloloko sa inyo, okay? Yung mga hindi fair na nangyayari, may blessings na darating sa inyo. Okay, Scorpio? Don't think about them too much. Ignore them, move on. Okay? Because you are doing well in your job, in your work, you are a successful person. Don't think too much, okay? See, continue natin kung ano pa yung mga ibang messages for you. Message for Scorpio, please. Scorpio. Dog close up. Pleasure with a close friend. Okay. Vase. Secret admirer. Meron kayong secret admirer din, Scorpio. Maybe for some of you, you're having fun with a close friend or best friend. Or yung friend ninyo, merong crush sa inyo or gusto ka. Okay? Frying pan. Trouble, accusations. Okay? Beware and mag-ingat din sa mga accusations. Prepare yourself. Okay? Lobster, financial pinch. Throne, position of authority. Okay? You are someone na may magandang posisyon sa trabaho, sa community. Okay? Nire-respeto ka. They honor you. You are a leader. Eagle. Triumph over troubles and obstacles. So ano man to mga problema na binabato sa inyo, yung mga challenges, yung mga hindi fair competition, paninira sa inyo, ma-overcome nyo yun. Okay? Huwag kayong mag-alala. Do not overthink. Move forward. I-ignore mo na lang sila. Okay, Scorpio? Let's see kung ano pa yung mga messages for you. Another message for Scorpio, please. Okay. Scorpio. Count all of your blessings, even though the small ones. Show gratitude and appreciation for all that you have in your life and all that has yet to come into it. Your best days are still ahead of you. Isn't that a wonderful thought? Okay, so this is the message for you, Scorpio. Believe in yourself. Okay? Magtiwala sa sarili. Ignore nonsense people. Okay, so yun lang yung mga messages para sa inyo, Scorpio. See you on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye!